Hi everyone. Are you someone who finds his mind cluttered all the time? Thoughts zooming in and out? Do you feel life unexciting and boring at times? Do you feel that life has been unfair and you deserve more? If so, then there is a good news for you. I am Vandana Srivastav, an international master of law of attraction, a vibration therapist, cosmic healer, and a subconscious mind trainer. And I am bringing a beautiful, powerful, wonderful 1 week workshop just for you on WhatsApp. It's an experiential program which can be done at the convenience of your time and the comfort of your home. And what are you going to achieve? Number one, it will help you silence your monkey mind. So name of the workshop is Master Your Monkey Mind. Number two, it will help you focus more and concentrate better. And number three, most importantly, it will help you find more energy, joy, positivity, and happiness in everyday life. Isn't it magical? What are you waiting for? Be ready to receive the blessings of the universe. Click at the link below to join in. Hoping to see you there. Bye bye.